Can you believe it? Picture a cosmic event so huge that it casts shadows on Earth even in daylight. That's what might happen soon. Betelgeuse, a star in the Orion constellation, is acting strange, suggesting it might explode into a supernova, lighting up our sky like never before. But when will it happen, and what will it look like according to scientists, and what secrets might this event reveal? Let's dive deep into what's really going on with Betelgeuse and how it might affect Earth and the whole solar system. Betelgeuse, around 650 light-years away way in Orion, isn't just any star. It's a red supergiant, incredibly bright, over 100,000 times brighter than our sun. But why does it matter? Well, Betelgeuse is special not only for its brightness but also for its role in human culture. Named after the Arabic Yad al-Jazza, meaning the hand of Orion, it's been observed for centuries, guiding travelers and captivating stargazers with its reddish glow. Imagine a star so massive it could engulf our solar system. Betelgeuse, at 10 million years old, is much younger than our sun, but its immense size means it burns through its fuel faster, leading to a shorter life. Now nearing the end of its life, Betelgeuse is on the brink of a spectacular finale, a supernova explosion, releasing unimaginable energy and brilliance. The last time Earth saw such an event was in 1604 with Kepler supernova, visible even during daylight. For weeks, supernovas like Betelgeuse's are rare events, but their remnants offer valuable insights into the life cycles of massive stars. Betelgeuse's recent behavior has astronomers buzzing. Between October 2019 and early 2020, it underwent significant dimming, catching the attention of astronomers worldwide, although it seemed to return to normal by April 2020. Subsequent months saw its brightness surge by 50%, sparking discussions about its future. Could we be on the cusp of witnessing one of the another 650 years? So while we discuss and predict its impending supernova somewhere out in the vast cosmos, this monumental event might have already unfolded. We're just waiting for it to traverse space and time until it reaches our eager telescopes. The recent revelations around Betelgeuse have led to fervent discussions in the astronomical community, with comparisons being drawn to another sensational discovery from earlier this year, SN 2023 X. This recently observed supernova occurring in a galaxy neighboring the Milky Way reminded many of the fascinating dynamics and unpredictable nature of the universe. This SN 2023 X was unique in its own right. Located several million light-years away, it showcased an intense display of brilliance that momentarily outshone its host galaxy. But what made it particularly interesting to scientists and casual observers alike was its uncanny resemblance to what many predict will be the fate of Betelgeuse. The spectrum, intensity, and aftermath of the explosion offered a tantalizing glimpse into the processes that these massive stars undergo as they approach the end of their life cycles. For many, SN 2023 X served as a preview of what might happen when Betelgeuse meets its explosive fate. The sequence of events may look similar to what was witnessed with SN 2023 X. In addition, the connection between these two celestial events underscores a broader theme about the interconnectedness of our universe. Whether it's a neighboring star like Betelgeuse or a distant supernova such as SN 2023 X, these cosmic phenomena remind us of the dynamic and evolving nature of space. The realm of space exploration is full of uncharted territories and unsolved mysteries, and nowhere is this more evident than in our understanding of red supergiants like Betelgeuse. As brilliant as they are enigmatic, these celestial giants hide some of the universe's most profound secrets. At a fundamental level, the life cycle of red supergiants, though charted, is punctuated with ambiguities. While we Know that these stars evolve from the main sequence phase to their grand super giant stature, the intermediate meteori. Processes are less understood. These phases, which might involve tumultuous ejections of mass instabilities or gravitational collapses, challenge even the most sophisticated models of stellar evolution. And while much of Betelgeuse's behavior aligns with our expectations, there remains an undercurrent of unpredictability, reminding us that in astronomy certainty is a rare commodity. Betelgeuse on the brink of an explosive end or just biding its time. Recent research by Japan's Tohoku University suggests that the star might be in its carbon-burning phase right now. Lead researcher Hukisio believes that the core might collapse a few decades after its carbon reserves dry up, but not all scientists agree. Contrasting studies from Hungary's Koni Observatory speculate that Betelgeuse is still in the earlier helium-burning stage. The one thing scientists do agree on, regardless of these debates, is that Betelgeuse is slated to become the Milky Way's next supernova, yet pinning down the timing of this event remains a cosmic guessing game, with bets ranging from mere decades to 100,000 years. Amidst these scientific debates and speculations about Betelgeuse's fate, one fact remains unchallenged: the very nature of our observation. When we look up at the starry expanse, there's a subtle paradox. We often overlook this paradox is rooted in the very nature of time and light. In our vast cosmos, stars and celestial bodies are so distant that their light takes a momentous amount of time to reach our eyes. For instance, the speed of light, while being an astounding 186,187 m/s, still has its constraints. Consequently, the light from remote stars and galaxies takes its sweet time to traverse the vastness of space before it graces our sight. Gazing at Betelgeuse, you're actually witnessing a spectacle from 650 years in the past. To put that in perspective, when this very light embarked on its journey toward Earth, the Renaissance was just dawning, and explorers like Marco Polo were making their mark in history. Every observation we make of Betelgeuse is like looking through a cosmic time capsule, granting us insights into its distant past. And if, for argument's sake, Betelgeuse had already exploded in a magnificent supernova, we'd remain oblivious. For these recent events hint at a star that's not done with its surprises. Many speculate that Betelgeuse might be approaching the twilight of its life, a supernova event. A supernova is a cataclysmic explosion, an astounding burst of energy that can outshine an entire galaxy momentarily. This phenomenon occurs when there is a sudden change in the star's core. Such changes can arise if a star absorbs too much matter from a neighboring star, or in Betelgeuse's case, it could be from the exhaustion of a nuclear fuel, which